Hello everyone! Do your feet get cold in winter even when you're wearing boots? Or maybe you hate bulky winter shoes and prefer lighter footwear, like autumn or summer sneakers. Imagine walking through winter in your favorite shoes and feeling completely warm and comfortable. Sounds impossible? Stick with me and I'll show you a simple yet genius life hack to keep your feet warm, no matter what shoes you wear. By the end of this video, you'll have a cost-effective solution that works wonders. First, take out the insole from your shoe. This is the key to creating the thermal layer that will keep your feet warm. Now, lay your insole flat on the foil and trace its shape with a pen or marker. Once traced, cut out the foil along the outline. Make sure the foil layer is slightly smaller than the insole, about 1 centimeter smaller around the edges. This ensures it fits snugly into your shoe without bunching up. Place the foil on the underside of the insole, not the side where your foot rests, but the part that faces the shoe's sole. This way the foil will trap heat from your foot and block cold from the ground. It's that simple. If you want to make this hack even more durable, use reinforced adhesive tape or foil tape to secure the foil to the insole. Simply apply the tape along the edges and trim off any excess. This step isn't mandatory, but it adds extra durability, especially for daily use. Plus, it's a cost-effective alternative to expensive thermal insoles. This hack is for anyone who drives, dislikes heavy winter boots, or simply wants to avoid thick, uncomfortable socks. It's also perfect for those who stand outside for long periods and struggle with freezing feet. And there you have it, a quick, affordable way to keep your feet warm all winter long. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who's tired of cold feet in winter. Stay warm, stay comfortable, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, small life hacks can make a big difference in your daily life. Until next time, take care and keep your feet toasty.